Okay, hello class. So I know you all have been working extremely hard for the past few weeks on your short stories. And on Monday, you finally picked the story that you were going to publish. How exciting. You have been working hard on writing/typing your final story. I know most of you are typing. I don't think anyone chose to write it for the past couple days, but today we're actually going to add the visual aspect to our story. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log onto the website PicMonkey. I'm sure a few of you have probably used this website before. It is an imaging editing website. Sorry, I have to get my documents in order here. But yeah, so it is a image editing website. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose a photo that you want to edit. They should already be downloaded on all your laptops from yesterday because we all picked out what photos we wanted to use for our story. Obviously, it should have something to do with your story, why it's important to you, or something that gives us a visual aspect. My short story, if you remember, was about the wedding that I was in a few months ago. So what I'm doing with this photo is I'm actually kind of creating titles for all of us so that people know who we are, because obviously the girl in the white is the bride, and the girl next to her that's a blonde is the maid of honor. And I was a bridesmaid, and then the other blonde girl was also a bridesmaid. So I just wanted to start off by kind of labeling that. You can add text to your photo. You can add different like clip art on top if you'd like. Really whatever you want. My only bit of advice is that it has to be creative, has to be special and important to you. And yeah, that's really it. You can literally like spend hours playing on here. It's a super fun website. But yeah, I might add some graphics, like maybe, let me see if there's like a bride. Oh, there's like a bridal graphic that I might want to add. I'm gonna make it white so that it really sticks out. Well, that looks cute. Maybe I'll add a border. Let's see. Ooh, that looks good, but I'm gonna change the color to white. So yeah, you can pretty much just do whatever you'd like. Again, make it special to you, make it pop, why is it important to you, and then when you're finished, just screenshot it on the computer, like we know how to, Command-Shift-4 all at one time, and then email it to me with the final draft of your story. Good luck, everyone!